To study this lesson, I will use the sample project from the previous lesson. Here, I already have the sample project. I'll add a new PLC. And in this case, I'm using an S71200 PLC. Open Devices and Networks to create a connection between the PLC and HMI. You will drag and drop from the HMI to the PLC, and then in the Connections tab, continue to drag and drop from the HMI to the PLC. Next, I will create two tags for this project. Create a new tag table. I will create an integer tag with the format set to integer, the address set to MW100, and a real tag with the format set to real, the address set to MD200. Open the main screen of the HMI and create a new IOField. Name this IOField tag integer. Set this IOField to be both readable and writable. I will copy another IOField with a read-only function. For the IOField that is both readable and writable, in the Mode property, select Input and Output. For the read-only IOField, select Mode as Output. I will change the color of the read-only IOField to differentiate between the two. Next, I will copy for the real tag as well. To assign a tag to the IOField, in the General section, you will drag and drop the tag into the tag field. I will do the same for the real tag. If I want to remove the plus sign in front of the number, I will delete the letter S here. The numbers 9 represent the length of the integer that can be displayed. For example, if I only want to display 3 digits, then set it to 3 number 9. Now, you see that only 3 digits are displayed on the screen, meaning it cannot display a number larger than 999. Similarly, with the real tag, I can also remove the S in front. For the real tag, there is also the number of digits after the decimal point. For example, here, there are 3 number 9s, meaning the number of digits after the decimal point is 3. If I want to display only 1 digit after the decimal point, I will set 1 number 9 after it. You can also display units in the IOField by going to the Appearance section, then entering the unit in the text field. For example, I want to display the unit as bar. The unit bar has now appeared on the IOField. For the real tag, I want to display the unit as volt, so click on the real tag, and in units, I will enter V. Besides these two common types of I/O fields, there is also a string type I/O field. To create a string type I/O field, go back to the PLC, where I will create a DB block. Name the DB block Data. Then add a tag with the format set to string. Back to the screen. I will add a new I/O field. Select display format as string, with the length of the string being configurable. For example, here I set the length to 50 characters, and the tag used is the tag from the DB block. Click on the DB block and drag and drop the string tag into the I/O field. I will add a string type I/O field with the display only type. Therefore, in the type field, I will select output and change the color to brown. Then name the I/O field. Proceed to run the simulation and check the results. First, open the PLC and run the simulation first. Then open the screen and simulate the HMI. I will enter any value, for example, entering 10, and you will see that the I/O field read only also displays 10. I will go online with the PLC and HMI on the same screen. Now, you can see that I have successfully displayed the number 10 here. Similarly, with the real tag, for example, if I set it to 50.55, the real tag is also displayed on the PLC. The string tag can be set to NGOC Auto, and now the string tag is also displayed. Now, I will check the tag values in the data block. The string tag in the data block also displays NGOC Auto.